welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have the Aquamarine Mystery Box from Cricut. There is a cutie inside, so quickly, if this video is just released, quick, go get it and come back and see what's inside. Alright, let's see what's inside. This is the Aquamarine Mystery Box, if I didn't say that already. And inside we have a rotary cutter, which will definitely come in handy. The cutie. This is in color olive. Look at that in a minute. Cricut watercolor markers. I love these. If you haven't seen my watercolor video yet, definitely check that out. Hopefully these are watercolor cards to go with it. They are. Very nice. Then we have the Dahlia Strong Bond holographic iron-on. This is gorgeous. Very nice color, that Dahlia. Sports Flex iron-on in the color gold. Very pretty. The heat activated color changing vinyl. It turns from a dark teal to a light blue. Very nice. Perfect for mugs for your hot cocoa. And then let's see what color olive is. My guess, obviously, olive is green, so it's going to be a green color. Ooh, this is a deep green color, and it looks like she's matte, just like they have been recently. She looks shiny with my light, but trust me, let's see. This one is matte, this one is shiny. This one is matte. Hard to tell the difference with my light, but there you have it. So this is the olive cutie, available in the Aquamarine Mystery Box right now. So go check it out. Thanks for watching.